The razor tool is one of the first tools you'll learn to use when editing video. With it, you can cut clips in the timeline, trimming off excess footage, breaking clips into smaller, more manageable pieces, or isolating a section for adjustments. Hold Shift while using the razor tool to cut across all tracks on the timeline. And notice how the icon changes from a single razor to multiple razors. When you have a clip that has both video and audio, when using the razor tool on that clip, it'll cut both the video and audio. If you want to avoid this, hold Option for Mac or Alt for Windows to cut audio and video separately, allowing for even more control. Now that you know how the razor tool works, let's level up. Instead of manually clicking with the razor, try this. Let's go to Edit, Keyboard Shortcuts. Within the search bar, type Add Edit, and you can assign custom keyboard shortcuts for Add Edit and Add Edit to all tracks. Just double click on the shortcut column right next to the command. Once you have your shortcuts set, select OK. Now with this setup, you can make precise cuts with a single keystroke. No need to switch tools. Option for Mac or Alt for Windows, plus clicking a track, then using the Add Edit shortcut will affect only that track. For this clip that contains both video and audio, if you hold Option for Mac or Alt for Windows and then select the Add Edit shortcut, you'll make an edit only on that selected clip. Hitting the Add Edit to all tracks shortcut will add an edit to all tracks the same way that the razor tool does it when you're holding the Shift key. Now there is a catch. One important thing to keep in mind. Something called track targeting affects how the Add Edit shortcut works. When you see your audio or video tracks highlighted within this column, that means the track target is active. If the track target is active when using Add Edit, a cut will be made on those corresponding tracks even if you only use the Add Edit shortcut expecting to cut one track. If it's not active, it won't get cut. But if all the tracks aren't targeted, then you're gonna get cuts on every single track. Yeah, it's a bit strange, so if you feel more comfortable for now using the razor tool, just stick to that. Thanks so much for watching, and if you want to fast track your learning, check out the other videos on my YouTube channel, and also for longer, more in-depth, hands-on, project-based classes, check out my Skillshare page. Links are available in the description.